Hi, Roger. Can you do a Google search for Apple's private cloud compute? Can you find their security guide, review it, and provide me with an update, please?
Looking it up now. Searching for Apple Private Cloud Compute Security Guide. Preparing to perform a web search for the Apple Security Research page on Private Cloud Compute. Clicking on the link for the Private Cloud Compute Security Guide documentation from Apple Security Research. Reviewing the key security features and updates of the Apple Security Research Private Cloud Compute Security Guide. Update on Apple's Private Cloud Compute Security Guide. Apple's Private Cloud Compute Security Guide outlines several key security features and updates aimed at enhancing privacy and security for computationally intensive requests. Here are the main points. 1. Stateless computation on personal user data. PCC ensures that personal user data is used exclusively for fulfilling the user's request and is not accessible after the response is returned. 2. Enforceable guarantees. The system is designed to allow for the analysis and constraint of all components that contribute to the overall security guarantees of PCC. 3. No privileged runtime access. There are no privileged interfaces that could allow Apple staff to bypass privacy guarantees. 4. Non-targetability. The system is designed to prevent attackers from targeting specific users without attempting a broad compromise of the entire system. 5. Verifiable transparency. Security researchers can verify that the privacy and security guarantees match Apple's public promises. These features reflect Apple's effort to extend their industry-leading device security model into the cloud, allowing users to benefit from complex AI models without sacrificing security and privacy. If you have any further questions or need more details, feel free to ask.
Thank you, Roger. Can you continue the search? This documentation and particular website appears to have multiple pages. Can you go to the left and review the menu and find more about the core security and privacy requirements for private cloud compute?
Reviewing the left menu for additional pages related to core security and privacy requirements. Reviewing the left menu for additional pages related to core security and privacy requirements. Reviewing the left menu for pages related to core security and privacy requirements. Core security and privacy requirements for Apple's private cloud compute system are designed to ensure robust data protection and user privacy. Here are the key principles. 1. Stateless computation on personal user data. The system uses personal user data solely to fulfill the user's request. This data is not accessible to anyone other than the user and is not retained after the response is returned. 2. Enforceable guarantees. Security and privacy guarantees are technically enforceable, ensuring that all components contributing to these guarantees are constrained and analyzable. 3. No privileged runtime access. The system does not contain privileged interfaces that could bypass privacy guarantees, even during severe incidents. 4. Non-targetability. An attacker cannot target specific users without attempting a broad compromise of the entire system. 5. Verifiable transparency. Security researchers must be able to verify that the privacy and security guarantees match public promises, ensuring transparency and trust. These principles reflect Apple's commitment to protecting user data, maintaining privacy, and ensuring compliance with security standards. If you have any further questions or need more details, feel free to ask.
Thank you, Roger.